Part 7. Modifying the measurement averaging count. Why do we need to modify the averaging count? Because different application scenarios have different requirements for output frequency. It is necessary to adjust the number of measurements based on actual use cases. When the liquid level changes very rapidly, the sensor needs to keep up with these changes. So, we must increase the measurement speed. We can achieve faster measurement speeds by modifying the averaging count. How should we modify the averaging count? First, we need to read the averaging count register. Send the command 010300070001. The averaging count value we read is 000C, with only the lower 8 bits being valid. The current averaging count is 0C. The liquid level data will only update every 12 measurements. Update to the measurement register. So, we need to reduce the value from 0C to achieve a faster measurement speed. For example, let's change OC to O2. Based on experience, a value of OC typically results in a 4 to 5 second interval between sensor data updates. By changing it to O2, the interval shortens to approximately 1 second, meaning the sensor data updates about every 1 second. His frequency is already very fast. How do we change the measurement frequency? Send the command 010600070002 to change OC to O2. Next, read the modified register. Send the command 010300070001. We have successfully read it and confirmed the averaging count has been changed from OC to 2 times is 12 times. Now that we've changed the averaging count to 2, our measurement rate has increased by 6 times, allowing updates approximately once per second. After modifying the averaging count, we can perform a test. Compare it with the previous 4 to 20 mA response. We'll increase the liquid level in the same manner. And can observe that the refresh rate of the 4 to 20 mA signal has significantly increased. This chapter ends here. We understand your needs.